Mbukele lihlelo tadla lenkhondo saphize safika isikhathi lokho wena usibheke ngalabovu silangadelela uthi hayibo dafika nini isikhathi sehlelo lami tandla nenkhondo bito lami ke ngifortunate ngamabuza ngethemba ukuthi uphilile lapho ukhona khona ngethemba ukuthi nemaholiday akuphethe kahle futhi usaplanela umnyaka lomusha ngathi nokuthi wena uplana timfo letinhle nje kuphela asiketi ke ngikutoplanela umnyaka lomusha la right sitana bobo sonkhondlo nalabo labenayo na imisebenzi yetandla balla ekhaya eSwatini nengihlanga ukuthi ngithi thini sile sitana bo brand new usathi hey man bathi poet ngithi yo qhamuke nalomunye naye abe nguye sonkhondlo namhlanje sina SP the poet uthi SP the poet lo SP the poet uqhamuka somewhere but ke kuze wathi ukuthi uqhamuka kuphi hlala phansi ubukele lihlelo lakho tandla nenkhondo saqala ngaye ke SP the poet.
Simo sasekhaya sikade sibe mnanzi injabulo into lekhashane nekuphila kwasekhaya dinyembe tami ngadlinganisa nemkhizo lebekakhiza lapha ngeshe emkhizweni ekuphileni kwethu asikake sikuthole ekujabuleni kwethu asikake sike siphile kahle emhlabeni simo sasekhaya asikade sibe mnanzi injabulo into lesilandzela ngemuva besithi nasiphuma nebafowethu sikhaphatha inkomo sedamu babe basho leti dihlupheke tekuqala tekugcina ilithemba lethu Nkosi sesilibeke kuwe mhlambe nguwe Nkosi loyo sihlenga akhuluma lomlo mdzala aphuma ngasedladleni uthi bantu bami buyanilana ngihlale nani phasi ngifuna kunika emagama ekuphila kuze nikhone kuphila mhlambe ningabaphilisa kusasa lesimo lesikiso namhla ngiso lesitanifundzisa kahle ngempilo khumbulani nakulo kodwa ke bantu bami ningalingi niphakamele labanye bantu la emhlabeni sibandvu umuntu ngumuntu ngebantu bantu lokubuntu lona ke nguye SP siphila amagama ngakuphilisa nawe nawufuna SP Mkholo the poet lo bhalile.
Mbukele sesihleti naye SP Mkholo the poet utasicela abantu ukuthi ungubani wabani uqhamuka kuphi SP the poet unjani
ngiyaphila sesona
ngiyaphila vusela umbukele ekhaya udisho ligama lakho leli certificate hayi lela SP
sanibonani babukele emakhaya libito lami lekudalwa ngingibandile bakaMathebula.
Okay, Bandile Mathebula. Uqhamuka kuphi Bandile?
Bandile Mathebula ngekudalwa ngwasenyakeni but ngihlala la Malkens.
Okay. Alright Bandile ngivile ngandlebenye ngabona somewhere ukuthi you are a poet. Uqala nini kuba ipoet? Uqala kanjani futhi sifisile kwathi sinembukela?
Kuqala kwami kuba ipoet bengisesesikolweni.
Okay.
Kuqala nje kubona ukuthi nawo ngiyakhona lokubhala. Bese thina sibhala esikolweni nangabe sema free period bese nami sengikhanda sengiyabhala ngitshela abangani bami ukuthi yathi nginento leka so bathi ke bona ayi lento lengekiside ngalutho so ngaba nekuma kwathi 2022 lapho kwaba khona nenkinga ekhaya ngakhona ukubuyela esikolweni so kuhlungu vele bebemnengi kakhulu bengalibhlungu kakhulu so I decided ukuthi kuze lobuhlungu bami ebutowehla ngibuthathe ngibufake phansi exercise.
Okay.
Ngaqala kanjalo ngaqala ngabhala ngaqala ngaba necingo ngashutha ama-video but abantu awuyathi unelithalenta ngaqala kanjalo siswa.
Alright. Nawe soqalile bamfu bayasho bathi unelithalenta khona yini wabe siyamchweba lo mbonako lona lelithalenta lelifana exactly nalelakho noma wathi wena hayi ngayenda lemvo ngedlana sengitethembe.
Cha kukhona siswami.
Okay.
Ngathi nangisangena enkundleni yokuxhumana ngadibana na Thubelihle Maseko TM poet ngamvusela ngacela inombolo yakhe wanginika saxoxa ka WhatsApp waqala naye wangichushisa lapha nalapha wangikhulisa lapha nalapha wagcina sekangifaka kulenye igroup epoetry ngaqala ngingena khona ngakhula lapha ngikhulele khona vele.
Okay. Watkhanza song SP the poet lo watiwako. Okay, uthe ungibandile wakaMathebula ngibathe BM ngumbe the poet but ngiva SP the poet. Why are you SP the poet?
Samna ngisakhule emakhayeni bangithi aligama bathi ngisiphambanana.
Okay.
So ngadinela ngena la ka poet ngathi yo ngeke kuze kulunge ukuthi ngithi siphambane no poet.
Ngathi sengiyabona nje.
Ngathi nona ngijube ngithi SP Mkholo the poet.
Okay.
Ngalijuba kanjalo so ngathi nangisahamba ke ngisengenile la ka poet baba like bantu nathi amagama akho ayaphilisa bagcina sekuvelele igama lelithi siphila amagama.
All right.
Siso.
Okay, but wagcine nje songlo SP the poet.
Ngagcina sengilo SP Mkholo the poet.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, SP Mkholo the poet, ngiyakuva uthi tinkondlo takho tinemagama, tifaka ikhathi emagama laphilisako.
Siso.
Ubhala ngaloko kuphela yini ngemagama laphilisako kuphela noma uthi wena ezonkondlo mina ngicreative ngiyabhala nganoma ngayini echamukako?
Ngiyabhala noma ngabe yini sisawundi echamukako noma ngabe yini seyivelile ngivele nje ngibhale ngayo.
Okay.
Ingadi emuntwini emhlabeni ngiyadibuta ngiphendula imphendvulo solo kanginayo kuloko kuvilita emehlo kushwaca ligogo kucitheka ngati njalo emhlabeni bantu bakulesikhathi ngiyafunga bakhohlakela umhlaba ungcolile akhuluma lo ngasemnyango uthi cela ningibudelene emhlabeni wonke jikelele kuthi kanti ingadi emuntwini emhlabeni ngoba linyeni lebantu lambile emhlabeni ngalongaconzakali impela lisizi latlawule emhlabeni tinzanzane nebafelokati bemengenhle emadvaleni bakhala emathosi bathi sifisa kuvala emehlo singawuboni omkhuba lowentekala emhlabeni ngoba ingadi yethu sengiyo lebenta abakhimihle ekhathini lako kanti ingadi yemuntu iyini emhlabeni akhuluma lo mfata athwele libhakede aqhamuka ngasemfuleni uthi wami umfana ngamgcina mhla ngimthuma esitola akaphinzanga abuye ekhaya kumthola kwami ngamthola ehlani inhloko nenzamo bese ihlukene tithote emtimba bese lishode emtimbeni athi ngiyaniqalekisa nini benti balokubi ngetento tente ebumnyama ngalobu umnyama benu niyawuhlulela ngale kwethuna niphakama ngetimpilo tethu ngekusubulana ngekucithi ingadi emhlabeni ingadi yemuntu yini emhlabeni ngiyadibuta ngiphendula imphendvulo solo kanginayo kuloko kuvilita emehlo kushwaca ligogo kucitheka ngati njalo emhlabeni bantu bakulesikhathi ngiyafunga bakhohlakela umhlaba ungcolile akhuluma lo ngasemnyango lona ke nguSP siphila wamagama ngingakuphilisa nawe nawufuna emagama amaliphilisi lekuphila hlezi nawe ungaphila kulomthombo wekuphila abaphilisi esiphila wamagama SP Mkholo the poet lo bhalile
usaqhubeka kubhala into ingcinamba lo yaye ubhekane nato uphinze wenda kanjani ukuthi uqhubeke ube ngilo sonkondlo ofise kuba nguye
nangisaqhubeka sesome kule ndlela dibe ningcinamba lengidibane nato leyo khanze ukuthi sometimes so delcingo awukhona ukuphusha umsebenzi wakho but lokunye lokungende ukuthi ngigcine ngikhona ukuthi ngigcine ngifinyelele kahle le gama la SP Mkholo the poet ukuthi angicwaye umuntu ngikhulumisana nawo wonke umuntu ngidibana naye sonkondlo sakhe ibondi ngiloko nami lokugcina kungende ukuthi ngagcine sengadiko.
Okay.
Yes.
Uma nje ungazivetela bomcoka bekusebenzisana nibo sonkondlo ukuthi kumcoka ngani ngoba lo munye uyaye uthi enginawo usebenzisana ke nabo Fortune the poet bebeke titanza tami umuntu nasafika recite emcimbini so yavakala uthi hayibo lawa amagama ami lawa
lokumcoka kwatana nalabanye bosonkondlo kuthi kukhona nawe longakwadi bona labakwadi.
Okay.
Ngabe bese bayachushisa khona sithana ufika embebe abantu kufuna wente kanje kufanele ukuthi nje mhlambe sengithi bakumemile mhlambe phathini bantu bajabulile angeke ufike urecite yekufa.
Exactly.
Lapho ke bakhona ukuchushisa sithana omunye emcimbini lo nje ongena kanje ngoba umuntu ngeke wazi uze batikona.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, usaqhubeka ke netinkondlo takho SP so recite kuphi na kuphi nje lo ngathi ma highlights a 2024.
La recite khona 2024 ngeke ngaya kulenye i-main show ya Sun Life the Poet eMbabane. Siswami lokunye ngilama sonke nje baye basimeme sifike sirecite sisamba ujabulele kakhulu emsebenzini.
Okay, ngaphandle kwekumenywa ke SP uyayicelele nawe ukuthi hey ngibona nemicimbi lapho manje ningifake nebakithi noma unemahloni
kasi sami ngiyibone yendeka ngibone ama post ku FB bese ngiyam inboxa ngiyacela ukuthi ngabe sikhona sikhala ngicela nami kuvela senye indlela yokuthi ngikhona nami ku market.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, usathi market ake bakubona labanye basho bathi hayi SP siyakudinga emcimbini wethu uhluka ngani kulabanye bosonkondlo SP ungaze sithi njalo wona na ufika uthi nango bese bani the poet kanalo munye uyayisho lemvo yini lekwenda ukuthi uhluke kulalabanye bosonkondlo
lengenda ukuthi ngihluke kulabanye bosonkondlo ngazirecite akuyendeka bese umuntu uba nemagama akhe lawa afakako.
Okay.
Nami nje nangirecite ama poems ami nasengigcine ekugcineni ngese ngithi lona ke nguye SP siphila amagama ngakuphilisa nawe nawufuna amagama amaliphilisi lekuphila hlezi nawe ungaphila kulomthombo wekuphila.
Hayi wena.
Sisa.
Okay. SP ngwaphi emavilo ngapha noma emagama ekhuthata lomunye sonkondlo nalo lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla ekhaya nalo lo wenda lokho lokutsite nje uthi manje atiphilise ngwaphi emagama ungamupha wona ukuthi akhuthateki naye asenomsebenzi wakhe.
Emagama lengawasho sisami ukuthi ezasaqala abona ukuthi uneltalent leliso. Akabamba agcine lesinye isikhathi kuyenteka uthi uyaqala kube khona abantu labatakunike amagama langathanzeki. Ngithi nangabe kukhona lobona khona ukuthi nawe khona talent alonawo zama kufuna labanye labantu talent alonalo batokhona ukuchushisa bakunike amagama nawe ukuthi ugcine ukhonile kuphaka. Ningibona nje ngakusikona kuthanza kwami. Ningibona njengila la ngikhona khona kakusiyona insandvo yami. Ningibona nje ngibethe kanje kakusiyona inhloso yami nami ngiphocelela simo. Nami nangisakhula ngangithi ngifisa ukukhula ngondle batali bami. Ngangithi ngifuna kubakhanyisela njengenkhanyeti kepha lamhla uma ngibuka kwa nami ngiyatsaba. Emehlo ami abona kalififi kumnyama indlela ivalekile. Kude nale ngambikela ngithi bonke bathi ngiyahlanya. Uma ngithi ngiyavela bavele bahleke mhlawumbe nginevela bahleke kwathi bani. Kepha kakusiti kuhlekisa ngesiqu semuntu ngoba nathi kasitikhithe la ngakhubateka ngemcondo mhlawumbe nawe sengamtala lofana nathi kusasa. Ningibona nje akusikona kuthanza kwami. Nami nangisakhula ngangithi ngifisa ukukhula ngondle batali bami. Ngangithi ngifuna kwafeza lamaphupho lebe ngikhula ngiwaphupha. Sikhula nebangani bami ngiphupha. Yathi impilo ngekunela ngikhula nami yangikhulela. Ningibona nje ngakusikona kuthanza kwami. Lona ke nguSP siphila amagama ngingakuphilisa nawe nawufuna. Emagama amaliphilisi lekuphila hlezi nawe ungaphila kulomthombo wekuphila. SP Mkro the poet lo bhalile.
Singaba yini bakithi ngaphandle kwabo sonkondlo ngiyathi mina ukuthi wena amagama akhe SP the poet akuphilisile ushido wathina umphilisi uyabona musenimpilo debamfu usebenzisa enike wona emagama nawe wona sonkondlo wami losolusaba kuba yipoet hayi lempe yakhe kudibambelela vele mbamba uyaya ku 2025 ngalo kwesaba kwakho. Anyways, we listen, we don't judge. Asathe lona likhefu sidabuya siqhube nalo hlelo ungayinzawo. Bukela ihlelo lakho etandla nenkondlo siyabonga ukuthi wena ukhethile wathi cha angisumi lapha phansi ngidawuhlala phansi ngibukele lona ihlelo etandla nenkondlo. Namhla ke ehlelweni sinabe nanile maphanga ukuthi siqoqa abantu ukuthi ekubeni artist ufika kanjani yini futhi le motivator each and every day ukuthi abe yi-artist. Benanile. Welcome to Tandla nenkondlo vusela umbukele ekhaya uthi introduce.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya. Libito lami ngibenanile ngamaphanga. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningi-invite ehlelweni. Libito lami ngibenanile ngihlala eKamanzini eTicanfini kodwa nyalo ngisesikolweni ngiseliyeng. So mina ngingisomabhizinisi lomncane phecelezi small business. Senda kwegaba ke la ekhaya jewelry. So we have different categories. They deal ngema recycled materials. So it include household waste, your bottles, your tins, your cardboards, and then isinalo ke lelunye ihlangothi lelidila ngema beads that actually takes traditional techniques and creating contemporary designs.
Okay, ngiyakuva uyabala. Usound njengomuntu losone experience kulo msebenzi wakho etandla lo wendako. Sona isikhathi esinganani?
Ngingasho ukuthi ngina about 3 to 4 years formally doing it, but kuqala kwami kutibona ukuthi how khona lengakwenda ngetandla tami ngaqala high school, which was 2018. And ngaqala ngakwakha ngegaba. There was this actually famous choker, I think during that time. So I used to use my mom's old belts, nema beads ake, and then ngiwasebenzisa. So I didn't know by that time it's called recycling. So for me it was fascinating. The reason why I started making jewelry is because I didn't want to wear something that the next person is like wearing. So I wanted to create something unique, something that I'm able to express myself through. So, and then I came across like materials that are available. So yeah, and then I started selling to students. I was actually selling for 25 emalangeni and people would buy actually. So that's when I was like, oh, okay, I can do something with my hands. And then laqala lapho ke kwakha.
Okay, na sikhuluma ngale ngetimfo leti recycliwe. Usebenzisa like 100% timfo vele lo ngeke uzotiquphe esitolo.
Okay, so angibekise ngelicici. So linema components lahlukile. So there is the main component, which is your much of your material, and then there is this part called findings lapho uhuka khona. So lokho ke siyakucupha vele ngoba ngisengakafiki ezingeni lekwatakhela. But 95% of the earring is actually made from upcycled material. Take for instance, langa lengwagqokile njena akhiwe ngetikopoti. Yes, tekunatha. So you would see this is like 95% recycled. So sisebenza ngema materials lahlukahlukene. But le ngibona ukuthi kukhona available kakhulu ngile plastic. So these that I'm wearing are 95% recycled. So yeah.
All right, usitwa ngibani kulo msebenzi wakho etandla noma uthi cha I can do it mina ngedibana during my spare time.
So ngaqala ngokuthi ngikhone kuyofunda licicile leli formal, which was a relative Loangsita, and then I used my allowance to go and get those classes, and then ngase ke sengiyaphumela eceleni. So currently I'm working alone, but I do have someone Lucy's now. I want like I'm so much strong on having to employ the youth and women, because it's a female-owned brand, and I believe in, not that I'm discriminating other genders, we are welcoming of that, but in the meantime I'm working with women, and kwanyalo ngisatikhicitela mine but ke ngangifuna order lelikhulu noma kutaba nemicimbi lomkhulu phecelezi impho lefana nabo bushfire nabo luchu, then ke I get help from our seasonal team members, and then we do have a salesperson Longsita ko na kanjalo ukuthi abe ku schedule naye ngoba kuye lo msebenzi abese abamningi. So ngingasho ukuthi we do have 2 people that are seasonal in the meantime, but we'll be expanding soon and we'll be doing a different work. So kancane.
Your things are so beautiful. Ngathi kunemishini losetshenziswa somewhere somehow. Usebenzisa tandla takho phela noma khona lo bese soyahlanganisa someone ngemishini? Okay.
So ngiyashena ukuthi ngiliphi icici, but we use the most basic hand tools you can ever find. Literally like the basic ones you would ever find, like your pair of scissors, like a sandpaper, like a cutter. So those are one of the machines that we use, the equipments that we use. It's not heavy duty equipment. So but ke angeke sisebenzele ngokuthi njengakatheni ngokuthi everything is supposed to be, you know, if you can find a tool that is eco-friendly that you can actually use in your business, it's part of the production chain.
Okay.
Yeah. But everything is handmade, from the cutting to the assembling to the packaging.
Okay, let's say ngine design yami ngibonile licicici somewhere ngiyeta kuwe ngithi ngicela ungakhele licicici utolikhona yini noma you have your own designs ubuke ukuthi nase ngirecyclisha mina ngisebenzisa lamabhodlela nale tikopoti tami nayikhona yini mpholo uyaye wende njani?
Okay, usually siba nema range ema collections, so we have different collections. Some they are beaded collections, some they are like the upcycled ones. So but umuntu naketa ne design usually I do accept a challenge. So, but for me, I take that as an inspiration. You are inspired by this, but how can we interpret that? And then it's usually I have people labaya emitimbini, say for instance, ofuna maybe like, can you make something like this? And then message it in how can we personalize that? And then using our own material too. Because every piece for us is very personal in the sense that it has to speak to you, it has to make sense to you, and it also not just, oh, I just want to wear this. You know, it's like, is it beautiful? Do you love it? Do you want to use it? So every piece is quite personal like that.
Okay. Any future plans when it comes to Msebendo Koitanja Windago?
Oh, okay. Future plans are maninga kulu. I try to write them as much as I can. But what we are aspiring for is to actually we're working on a technique now that we are using the plastic. And then when we master that, we will then release a collection, which is probably next year. And then our mandate is to recycle as much material as possible. Because we do have people coming, you know, but then the amount of collection also needs to correspond to the amount of production. So that's one thing. And the other one is to have more people joining the team, which also is inclusive. It helps mitigate unemployment rates, and also siyafuna nathi ukuthi singagcini nje ngekugaba phela, but to expand and create other products that are not necessarily jewelry, but any other products that can be functional art.
Okay. Usakhuluma nje future plans yini lo fisa ukuthi lo sibukelako or lo ne interest in your business ukuthi angakusita ngayo.
Oh, okay. Le ngingasita ngako balaleli ukuthi besides the support online in terms of like following us on Instagram and Facebook and also like purchases, kungaba ukuthi nisiphe feedback ngemsebenzi lesikwendako ukuthi, oh, this is like this, or this is what you guys can add on the production. And also nemuntu lo ngaba interested kujoina i-team yethu ukuthi asibambise ukuthi, I mean, this is the skill that I can offer, and then these are my rates and stuff like that, and then sesingakhona ukuthi usibambise kanjalo. So otherwise siyabonga ukuthi ikhona support already, the group that we have, the community that we have. So but singathanda phinde ukuthi ikhule.
Okay. Benanile i-message kumbe longayipha other crafters or umuntu lo cabanga ukuthi kepha unyaka nje useta uqala yini lengaziphilisa ngayo kungaba ngiphi?
Okay, based on my experience, ukuthi asikunake lokho lesikhonako ukwenza ngemsebenzi ngetandla, because a lot of in most cases, we tend to be so much focused on just following, you know, and expecting you can do one thing, but then uyabona lo msebenzi lo ngakhona kwenda ngesandla, you can actually look into that and then see how can I monetize that, and then how can I grow that as a business. But to people labagu the craft space already, or any other business space, I think as an industry, as crafters, it will be good to actually work together, and then understanding that we all have a market share and everyone has a place, and then we can always work together like a positive competition. Everyone has a place.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right, thanks about masatata utak support benanile. Bakuthola kanjani ke bakuthola kuphi? Siyafuna nekufollowisha social media. Sitawuhlala sibona ukuthi kunesitoko lesisha, new designs, zikhamba kanjani. Bakuthola kanjani ke benanile?
Oh, okay. Okay, I have like a personal page and then there's the business. So the business page, we do have an Instagram and then we do have Facebook. It's both Benaniel_ST. So you can follow that and then you can see what promos that we have, what other stock do we have. And then there is also my WhatsApp number if people are willing to like WhatsApp us directly. And yeah, we don't have a physical shop, but we do have some of our collection at Dollar Spaces outlets, both in Malkens and Ngwenya class. So people can pop in there and then they can always support. And then you can also like take a picture and then tag us. Like that support too.
Bukele hlelo lakho Tandla Nenkondlo seba ukuthi wena ukhethile namhla wathi cha ngiyawuhlala ngilibukele hlelo ngiyethemba ukuthi khona lokufunzile hlelweni namuhla futhi wathi kwakuthi wena kahle kahle ngiliphi likhono lekumele esaluqala ukuthi utimisele kilo phinze uyadwe nawe ukuthi na ufuna licicici udalithola ngakuphi na ufuna inkondlo letakuphilisa udayithola ngakuphi sitawubona ke ngibukele evikini etawo ngaso sikhathi esifana ko goodbye and God bless.